Welcome to this video dedicated to the digital euro, the innovative currency frontier that is increasingly attracting the attention of governments, economists and citizens in Europe. In this video, we will explore the topic, examining the foundations of the banking system, the benefits and risks of the digital euro, why it is becoming a necessity and the fears of some countries. Ready to discover the future of our currency? So let's get started. Current banking system. To fully understand the importance and impact of the digital euro, it is essential to have a clear view of how the modern banking system works. Today's banking system is based on an intricate set of financial institutions, transactions and payment instruments that support the global economy. At the heart of this system are commercial banks, which offer a wide range of financial services, such as deposits, loans, investment management and much more. Commercial banks act as intermediaries between depositors, people and businesses who put their money into the bank, and loans to businesses and individuals. A key aspect of the modern banking system is the creation of money through the lending process. When a bank makes a loan, it essentially creates new digital money in the borrower's account. This happens thanks to the fractional reserve system, in which banks prohibit only a fraction of deposits as reserves and lend out the rest. In other words, much of the money in circulation is created by commercial banks through the lending process. Transactions in the banking system take place mainly through bank accounts, which allow customers to deposit, withdraw and transfer money. Payment instruments such as debit cards, credit cards, wire transfers and checks are widely used to facilitate financial exchanges between individuals and businesses. However, traditional banking has some limitations and challenges. International transactions can take days or even weeks to process, with associated high fees. Furthermore, the need for financial intermediaries and inefficient processes can lead to additional costs for consumers and slow down access to financial services. The digital euro represents a potential solution to these challenges. Let's see how. The advantages of the digital euro. The introduction of the digital euro would bring about a number of significant benefits that could transform the way we do financial transactions. Let's look at some of the main reasons why the digital euro represents a step forward in modernizing the financial system. 1. Efficiency of transactions. With the digital euro, financial transactions could be carried out in real time, eliminating the processing time of traditional banking transactions. This means payments could be instantaneous, allowing for a faster and more convenient experience for users. 2. Cost reduction. The costs associated with financial transactions could be significantly reduced with the digital euro, since transactions would be done digitally without the intermediation of financial institutions. Processing costs could be reduced, benefiting both consumers and businesses. 3. Financial inclusion. The digital euro could foster financial inclusion by allowing more people to access financial services, since transactions could be made via digital devices such as smartphones. Those without access to a traditional bank account could also participate in the digital economy. 4. Financial innovation. The digital euro would open up new opportunities for innovation in the financial sector. The underlying technology of the digital euro, such as the blockchain, could enable the development of new financial instruments, smart contracts and decentralized applications, paving the way for more efficient and accessible financial solutions. The risks of the digital euro. While the introduction of the digital euro offers many benefits, it is also important to consider the risks and challenges that could emerge from this transformation of the financial system. Here are some of the key risks associated with the digital euro. 1. Cybersecurity. The digital euro would make the financial system even more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Since transactions would mostly take place online, there would be a higher risk of fraud, hacking and security breaches that could compromise users' funds and personal data. 2. Privacy and surveillance. The introduction of the digital euro could lead to increased monitoring of financial transactions by the authorities. While this can be useful for fighting illegal activities such as money laundering and terrorist financing, it raises concerns about people's privacy and their financial freedom. 3. Vulnerability of infrastructures. The efficiency of the digital euro depends on the availability of reliable and secure digital infrastructures. Any disruption or technical failure could jeopardize the functionality of the digital euro and cause serious consequences for the economy and users. 4. Concentration of power. If the digital euro is issued centrally by the central bank, It could result in a greater concentration of power in the hands of financial authorities. This could affect the financial stability and autonomy of private financial institutions. 5. Impact on the banking system. The introduction of the digital euro could have a significant impact on the traditional banking system. If digital euro deposits become more attractive than bank deposits, private banks could see a reduction in their funding sources, affecting their financial stability. It is essential that these risks are addressed and mitigated through appropriate safety and regulatory measures. Why is it becoming a necessity for Europe? The introduction of the digital euro is fast becoming a necessity, for several key reasons reflecting the needs and challenges of the modern economy. Here are two of the main reasons why the digital euro has become a priority. 1. Global competition. The emergence of digital currencies like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has raised the need for traditional financial institutions to adapt to a rapidly changing financial landscape. Some countries, like China, are developing their own digital currencies to stay competitive and ensure control over the national financial system. The adoption of the digital euro would allow Europe to maintain its relevance in the global economy and defend its monetary sovereignty. 2. Preservation of monetary sovereignty. The digital euro offers Europe the opportunity to preserve its monetary sovereignty. In a context where private digital currencies and cryptocurrencies are gaining ground, by maintaining control over its digital currency, the European Union can protect economic autonomy and mitigate the risks arising from dependence on foreign financial solutions. The digital euro represents a natural evolution of the financial system, in line with the needs of the modern economy and the challenges it faces. However, adequately addressing the risks associated with the implementation of the digital euro is crucial to ensure the security, privacy and financial inclusion of all users. Fear of Slovakia. Slovakia, with the approval of a new amendment to the constitution, has expressed concerns about the possibility that the digital euro will become mandatory, thus threatening cash payments. This amendment, supported by 111 members of parliament, aims to preserve the right of all citizens to use physical money to purchase goods and services. According to Deputy Milos Sverchek, one of the authors of the law, it is essential to include a provision in the Constitution to protect against possible external impositions that could limit payment options in favor of the digital euro. The digital euro proposal, to be presented by the European Commission on June 28, is similar to cryptocurrencies and would allow digital payments, but would be controlled by the European Central Bank. However, both the European Commission and the European Central Bank argue that the digital euro would only be an additional option, not a cash replacement. However, some Slovak MEPs are expressing concern about plans for the digital euro, suggesting it could gradually become the only payment method available. Liberal MEP Marian Biskupik warns that the ECB could monitor a person's life in detail, defining the digital euro as a social engineer's dream. With these concerns raised by Slovakia, it is clear that the introduction of the digital euro raises important questions and requires careful consideration of its potential effects on privacy, financial autonomy and access to cash payments. In conclusion, the introduction of the digital euro represents an important evolution in the European financial system. The reasons for adopting a central bank digital currency are many and the potential benefits are significant. First of all, the digital euro offers the possibility of preserving the public good character of the currency, preventing it from becoming the object of private speculation. This would help ensure greater financial stability and more efficient management of monetary policies. The technology underlying the digital euro, such as blockchain technology, also offers new opportunities to improve the effectiveness of monetary policy. The programmability of digital money can allow the implementation of more targeted and efficient policies to stimulate the economy and facilitate the circulation of money. However, the introduction of the digital euro is not without risks. It is essential to address concerns regarding cybersecurity, user privacy and the effects on the banking system. These risks need to be mitigated through an appropriate IT and institutional architecture, as well as close cooperation between European countries. Some countries, such as Slovakia, express specific concerns about the digital euro and its potential threat to financial sovereignty. It is important to listen to those concerns and work together to develop solutions that protect the interests of all countries involved. Ultimately, the digital euro represents a necessity for the European Union to preserve monetary sovereignty, promote economic efficiency and ensure a more inclusive financial system. Its implementation will require a joint effort and careful planning. But the potential benefits are significant for European society as a whole. The digital euro marks a new era in the world of finance, opening up new opportunities and challenges. It is now up to the European Union and its member countries to work together to realize this vision and ensure a secure, efficient and fair financial future for all. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.